What's up everybody, I'm Brian from I1Tesla and this is an exciting video I'm sharing with you because it's been a process. So if you haven't watched my channel for a long time, you don't know where I've started from. So I've been doing YouTube for quite a while now, since 2018 when I got my first Model 3, and it was kind of early and it was fun, exciting going out there and making content and sharing my experience of getting a Model 3 and the whole process, because a lot of people at the time had not received their Model 3s yet. That bled into testing the autopilot and what you can do. What if? I did a series on what if. Back before people had their cars, like what if you open the door while you're in autopilot? Stupid stuff that you probably kind of knew the answer to, but you were kind of curious. And then I got into aftermarket parts, and that's where this is kind of changing a little bit. As you see, I've done a lot of wraps. Almost 100 Teslas I've wrapped. A lot of them have been mine. I've always done it under the I1Tesla name because of YouTube, and I've been sharing a lot of them. I've shared most of them with you. Things are getting busier, and I'm going to be not canceling this. I'm still going to be having I1Tesla, but I'm going to open up a wrap shop. I've been doing everything out of my garage, and it's been fun. There's enough space in here. There's a 3-car garage, but I kind of want to get it away from here because I'm not just going to be doing wraps, but I'm going to be installing parts. And I've installed a lot of parts lately already. I installed a soft close frunk, which is really cool. I really like this product. I probably will get it for my Model X because it is really nice how you don't have to push on the hood anymore. You just close the trunk or close the frunk and it just closes itself down. It sucks itself. No, I shouldn't say it that way. It soft close itself down, and you don't have to spend the time, especially on a Model Y, trying to figure out those struts. That product's really for the people that don't use the front very much. But I also installed a rear diffuser on a Model Y, multiple sunshades. These things are really cool. I have it in my car and I love it in my Model Y. Almost a must if you are phallically challenged like I am, especially in this summer heat right now. Oh my gosh. Actually, today isn't too bad. It's only 75 right now. I think it's only supposed to get to 80. I might go to the driving range today. A lot of cool parts. I mean, I've got installed right there are 18-inch wheels. Those wheels right there, actually this is a better shot of it right here. 18-inch wheels from Unplugged Performance. These are beadlock wheels and tires. Yokohama tires on there. And then I'm still waiting for the lift kit to come into stock. It's going to be, I think, a 3-inch lift kit from Unplugged Performance. And those things are amazing. I love them. I've added some mud flaps. I really haven't shown you that, but for fun, because these wheels do stick out a little bit. And I am going to be taking this off-road. But of course, I did wrap this thing as well. This is sky blue, high gloss sky blue from 3M with some different accents on there. I also installed a couple screens with front cameras, and I got a thermal one that I'm putting on mine. Shh, it's not out yet. I also installed those automatic doors. Those things were awesome. It took a while to install, but those things are amazing on a Model Y. And all those parts came from my friends at Test Studios. I'm going to be partnering with Test Studios, and they're going to be having stuff in stock, so you can come to me if you're in the Charlotte area, Charlotte, North Carolina area. I'm north of Charlotte, but come drive. A lot of people have traveled quite a far distance to me to have their vehicles wrapped. You can come on vacation and get something installed pretty quickly, whether you want the yoke steering wheel or a cyber steering wheel like I have in this one. These things are really cool products to change it and make it your own vehicle. If you're interested in those, hit me up, because I'm going to have a shop here somewhat soon to install all those parts. But yes, I am looking for a shop here in Mooresville, North Carolina. This is where I'm at. It's hard to find a place. There's a lot of office spaces available, but I need a garage and I need a warehouse area that I can wrap multiple cars at once, plus install products into cars, and it's exciting times. My question to you is, first of all, what do you think of a name for it? I was kind of leaning away from I1 Wraps. A lot of people mentioned that before, but I kind of like I1 Wraps. Ties in with I1Tesla. I'll have a separate channel, so I'm not going to bore you guys with all the wrap videos. Plus, I'm going to have to wrap non-Teslas, so I won't show those on this channel. But some of the cool things, like I have a Performance 3 coming soon that I'm going to be wrapping. Of course, I'll show you guys on this channel, but I'm also going to set up the other channel as well. But I'm thinking I1 Wraps, and since I'm almost at 100 cars, I probably will be already done with 100 cars before this video goes out. But I think with the new company, I'm going to, every 100 cars I wrap, I think I'm going to give one away for free. So you can win a wrap from I1 Wraps. Kind of thinking, maybe, don't quote me on this, but the colors of the company are going to be the blue and yellow, my yellow headlights, which really suck at night sometimes. It takes a little bit to get used to. I'll do a video on that if you want to. But in the comments down below, let me know if you want to see a video on the yellow headlights. But also, let me know what you think about the I1 Wraps name. Let me know if you want to see. I can bring you guys along and record the places I see, and you can kind of give me some feedback if you like that place or not. Kind of bring you guys along into this. Or should I put that on the second channel, the I1 Wraps channel, and leave this channel just for some Tesla products, trying out new things, event videos, and road trips and things like that? Do you like seeing the wraps on this channel? I know I don't want to keep doing wraps and wraps and wraps on this channel. That's what the other channel will be for. It'll be mostly all wraps. But this channel is for me. A lot of you guys enjoy this channel. But I kind of want to know what you guys want to see on this specific channel. Or do you want to see any wraps? Let me know. I'm kind of open. But I'm really excited for this next chapter, really, to get a business going. I mean, the business is kind of going already. It's just I need more space. I'm out of space here. I'm looking for a 3,000 square foot building or an area, some office space, but mostly warehouse, and have some fun. Really, it's a lot of fun for me. It's going to be a lot of hard work, but I want to bring you guys along to show you the process. Of course, my wife's going to be there to help with the logistics and everything. And then eventually I will have to get an employee. Maybe one of you guys might be my employee in a year or two. But it's fun, exciting, and scary at the same time because I'm comfortable here. I've been doing it here forever. I think they say a fish will grow to the size of its enclosure or the tank. So I can only get this big. So I need to have a bigger enclosure to make a bigger business. And again, it's scary, but also exciting at the same time. Leave your comments down below. I'll definitely read all of them. Constructive criticism. A lot of you give that all the time, but it's not really known in the comment section, typically. Well, the first couple of days it's known, but after that it's not. I'll probably stop reading them after the first couple of days. But anyway, played with a couple logos. That Marlboro one's not going to be sticking, but I might make some t-shirts off of that. But yeah, I'm excited. I1 Wraps with I1 Tesla. I'm excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. But there's a lot to do. So I got to get busy. So thanks for watching. Stay awesome. Stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.